Small time, you say you want to go and meet Auntie Bola to tie that simple scarf for you. Is it your life that Auntie Bola come? We must hook you because you will not learn by gege. So we got to hook you to learn. Are you hooked?
Now that you are hooked and you are there, so I want to show you the simple one you can try out on a Sunday morning that you want to go to church. You can decide to rock it out on a normal day as well. You know, we always explain, so relax. You need a main material for the head wrap. This one I'm using is a lycra material. I'm going to place it as a base. And the second material can be any material at all. You are going to twist it like I displayed on the screen and place it on your head after securing it at the back. Now, the excess fabric that fall at the front for the main material will be used to cover up the twisted material you made earlier. After covering it up, you have the excess fabric to be directed sideways to twist it down like this. Now, place it on your head like that and secure the excess at the back. Wait, so before you scroll, use your hand to shift to the side and adjust all adjustables. Have you seen that? Do not forget to share and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you can.